Mitotec Precision is a precision machine company founded in 1963 here in Necedah, Wisconsin. And we have about 38 CNC machining centers. We use a lot of complex machining features, such as Swiss lathe machining, pinch turning, oscillated turning, polar milling, tool life monitoring. We use all these features in all of our machining centers to make these complex parts. We were partnering with a customer and their volumes were drastically increasing on the titanium parts. When we started looking into it, that would have required 20 machining centers, over 6,000 square feet of floor space, and probably 23 to 30 skilled machinists to run.
We sought out another solution, and the solution we found was going to a transfer machine company. Some of the things that the Hydromat does is it's a 16-station transfer machine.
It's the FORCE 5100. The machine is a little bit bigger, has a bigger capacity. It provides you bigger strengths, higher rigidity, and on top of it, the most important is gives us ball screw spindles.
We feed in a bar of material and cut it into a small slug. That slug will transfer around the machine and do all the different machining operations on it. It's machining just the first side of the part. Then that robot will pick that part up and it'll take and it'll flip it around and transfer it to what we call the B side of the machine. It is now completing that second side of that part. It'll go all the way around the machine again, and then it'll pick that part out, drop it in a chute, and it comes out to the operators and they'll grab the next part and flip it.
We ended up reaching out to Hydromat for two reasons. One is their leadership in the industry in transfer machines, and they use FANUC controls, which is a staple in our production.
Hydromat is very engaged with FANUC in both sides, the control and the loading and unloading the robot side. FANUC is our premier control.
The company made a decision that FANUC was the best controller to be using for several reasons. I have machinists that I need to move from one machine to another. Having the same style controller, the buttons are in the same area, our employees can walk up to a controller and know where to find things. It saves on training for our employees, it utilizes our employees a lot better.
We're taking 90% of the material off of the slug to create this part. We really had to make sure that we were controlling the chips as best we could. One of those processes is utilizing the oscillation turning on that machine as well. Instead of long stringy chips that are coming off and jamming up and dropping onto other tooling and causing problems, this is creating chips like a mill would create chips. They're just powder.
Now we have our second machine in, so we can do 2,000 of these assemblies a week, literally up to 4,000 of these assemblies a week if need be, and we control all of the components internally.
When a customer comes to a level of volume and be market competitive, they have two choices. Either they keep going what they're doing and buy more and more machines and build a new plant and buy all these CNCs and have the floor space and labor and all the disadvantages. Or they go the Hydromat route, which is put it all in one machine. You get the throughput, you get the cost per piece, be market competitive to the OEM.
Machining centers are a huge capital investment. With FANUC and their support for parts down the line, that's really important for us because we're going to rely on these machining centers for many years to come to be a successful profit stream for us.